Hey, it's Kevin here from Loveless Customs. My son Zach found a base in the trash that somebody did a number on, so we're going to fix it. And hopefully it'll be better than what it is now. As you can see up here, had the clamp, put glue underneath the fretboard. Fretboard by the nut was separated from the neck. So I use Tight Bond 2 premium glue to re-glue that. So now we're gonna see what kind of damage is in this thing. Okay. Too big. Yeah, they really smashed this hard. That's stupid, treating an instrument like this, but
it's very stupid.
Must have been somebody that got really frustrated learning, or somebody just never was taught how to take care of stuff. Alright, let's kind of tilt that, come down on the top. Let's see what we got. Putting your screws in that box. Alright. Boy, they really smacked that hard. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, I got it glued back together where it was splintered and busted apart. We've been sanding on it, and here it is back together. We got some more sanding to do, and then we're going to use some wood putty to fill in the places where wood is just gone off this body. And after it dries, we're going to sand it down and do it ever how many times it needs, and then hopefully we can prime it and then paint it. fix the neck, the nut, and the body. Just giving a little extra something here for sound quality. Got it back together. Still got a little bit more cosmetic to do, but it's a work in progress there, that's for sure. Pocket cavity covered with tape, the control cavity covered with tape. Now I'm doing the pickups, covering those up, getting it ready for paint. Basically, I'm just going to touch up the area that was damaged. What wood putty was used is pretty much just cosmetic, just to smooth out the scars from this Humpty Dumpty being reconstructed. I guess they smashed it like a rock star. Not sure why they did what they did to it, or how the damage happened, but anyway, we got the neck fixed, we got the body fixed, so it's looking good. I got the pickups taped off. I got the neck cavity pocket taped off. You don't want that painted, really. I think it messes with the sustain the body has with the neck when you go to strum your strings. I think it kind of breaks the connection, so to speak. So now I'm just going to finish doing some light sanding, getting it prepped for some primer. I'm just going to prime the bad area. I do have to still take the buttons off for the guitar strap buttons. I got to take those off, and then yeah, be ready for priming. Okay, so this is what I've gotten done so far on the reconstruction of the Charvel bass. As you see here, my son completely cleaned up the bridge. It was completely rusted, and it's not perfect, guys, by no means, but I put her back together. So now I'm gonna put it back together to play. Okay, so here's the bass fixed. I put a button right here for the big E, because where the key is, it makes the string go too much that way to the left, and it pops off the nut. I'd say that's an engineering flaw in their design, because see, your strings need to go straight up to the key. The Big E doesn't with that type of headstock. So I put a button there, and then I guess a dog chewed the tip of this guitar off, so I just gotta file that down a little bit, but I replaced the tip with some epoxy. A master woods craftsman could probably have fitted a new tip on there. It was a little chewed, and but anyway, here's the neck where it was separated from the fretboard, and it's all back together. I use that Tight Bond 2 wood glue it seems to do the trick. So if you liked this video, like it, subscribe, and God bless.